My name is Jeric Chokson. I am 20 years old. I came from Gia, Laucaramuan, Camarines. German numbers 1 to 20. 1 is Ains. 2 is Trey. 3, 3 is Dry. 4 is Fear. 5 is Font. 6 is Zigs. 7 is Zeven. 8 is Ak. 9 is Noin. 10 is Chain. 11 is Elf. 12 is Salt. 13 is Dryzen. 14 is Fertain. 15 is Pontain. 16 is Sixtain. 17 is Zedtain. 18 is Octane. 9 is Nointain. 10 is Swansea. 20 is Swansea. 20 German colors. Red is root. Yellow is gelb. Orange is orange. Green is grün. Light green is hellgrün. Dark green is dunkelgrün. Blue is blau. Light blue, hellblau. Dark blue is dunkelblau. Purple is lila. Pink is rosa. Brown is brun. Black is schwarz. White is weiß. Gray is grau. Khaki is khaki. Gold is gold. Beige is beige. Turquoise is tortoise. Violet is violet. German days. Monday is Montag. Tuesday is Dienstag. Wednesday is Mittwoch. Thursday is Donnerstag. Friday is Freitag. Saturday is Samstag. Sunday is Sonntag. German months. January is Januar. February is Februar. March is Mars. April is April. May is May. June is Juni. July is July. August is August. September is September. October is October. November is November. December is December. German weather. Spring is Frühling. Summer is Sommer. Autumn is Herbst. Winter is Winter. German furnitures. Window is das Fenster. Curtain is der Vorhang. Clock is die Uhr. Lawn is der Reis. Lamp is die Lamp. Table is der Tisch. Sofa is das Sofa. Chair is das Stuhl. Armchair is der Sessel. Mirror there schedule. Towel is das hand touch. Toilet is the toilet. Picture das build. Base die vase. Alarm clock is their weaker. Bed das bed. Rug is dirty pitch. Shelf das regal. Telephone das telephone. Wall is the one. 20 German appliances. Refrigerator is der Kühlschrank. Stove is der Herd. Dishwasher is der Geschirrspüler. Oven is der Backofen. Microwave is the microwave. Dishwasher der Geschirrspüler. Electric kettle der washer cooker. Blender der mixer. Toaster der toaster. Coffee maker the caffeine machine. TV der furniture. Washing machine the wash machine. Vacuum cleaner der Staubsauger. Iron das Bugeleisen. Hair dryer der phone. Stand mixer the kitchen machine. Hand mixer das Handrührgerät. Fan is der Ventilator. Air conditioner is die Klimaanlage. Kitchen scale is die Waage. 20 German body parts. Head is der Kopf. Eye is das Auge. Nose is die Nase. Mouth is der Mund. Ears is die Ohren. Neck is der Nacken. Shoulder is die Schulter. Arm is der Arm. Back is der Rücken. Hips is die Hupen. Abdomen is das Abdomen. Back is der Hintern. Legs das Bein. Foot der Fuß. Scalp is die Kopfhaut. Forehead is die Stirn. Cheeks die Backen. Jaw der Keeper. Chin das Kinn. 20 German conjugation. To be is sign. To have, haben. To become, werden. To be able, können. To have to, müssen. To say, sagen. To give, given. to come komen, to want wollen, to make matchen, to go gehen, to be called Eisen, to know wissen, to see sehen, to find them, to stay bleiben, to like mogen, to be allowed to is dürfen, to drive paren, to drive paren, to let, to allow, lassen. German related words in tourism. Tourist vocabulary. The tourist male, der tourist. The tourist female, die Touristin. The trip is die Reise. The flight is der Flug. The sea cruise is die Cruise part. The train, die Eisenbahn. The airport, der Flughafen. The port, der Hafen. The suitcase, der Cooper. The map, die Karte. The restroom, die toilet. The museum, das Museum. The physician, der Arzt. The money, das Geld. The bus, der Bus. The hotel, das Hotel. The booking, die Buchung. The island, die Insel. The ocean, das Meer. The beach is der Strand.